What are RESTful APIs?
RESTful APIs, short for Representational State Transfer APIs, are a way for computer programs to communicate over the web. They use standardized HTTP methods like GET and POST to exchange information. By following clear rules, RESTful APIs make it easy for different software systems to request and send data, which is essential for creating automated workflows.
Why use RESTful APIs in automation?
RESTful APIs are vital in automation because they enable direct, reliable connections between your automation scripts and other services. With APIs, you can automatically fetch data, update records, or trigger actions without manual steps. This helps save time, reduce errors, and maintain consistency across many tasks, making automation far more efficient.
How RESTful APIs work, the basics.
RESTful APIs use URLs to identify resources and HTTP methods to define actions. For example, making a GET request to a URL retrieves information, while a POST request sends new data. APIs usually return data in easy-to-read formats like JSON. Understanding these building blocks helps you connect your automation projects to many online services.
Common use cases for automation.
Automating repetitive tasks is where RESTful APIs truly shine. For instance, you can pull data from social media, update inventory records in an online store, or trigger emails automatically. Many popular web apps offer APIs, letting you create custom connections for reporting, monitoring, data syncing, and countless other automation needs.
Getting started with RESTful APIs.
To begin using RESTful APIs for automation, choose a tool or programming language with good HTTP support, such as Python or JavaScript. Explore the documentation of the API you want to use, understand the available endpoints, and try sending basic requests. Practice with public APIs to build confidence as you move into more complex projects.